3, 4.
Hey guys, welcome to the 7th episode of Chuck's Keto Kitchen. So today we have orange glazed duck breast sat on a bed of creamed spinach with a side of cauliflower mash. Ingredients, so we need some spinach, trusty coconut oil, a head of cauliflower, some double cream, butter, orange extract, cream cheese, cheddar, duck breasts. So to get started, we'll get on with the cauliflower mash. We need a pan of water, get that boiling. Right, take out the cauliflower and you want to slice it into inch strips. And then add that to the pan. Oh yeah, add a bit of salt to the pan. Always need some salt for flavouring. Okay, now we can leave that do its thing and crack on with the duck. So you need to get your duck breasts out. And then score the skin. Try not to cut through into the meat, into the flesh of the duck, just score the skin. Now your pan, you want to get that nice and hot. Don't forget to season the duck breast both sides, a bit of salt and pepper. And then drop the duck breast into the pan on the skin side. Now you can just leave that. You want to let that skin, duck's quite fatty, so a lot of fat will come out of the duck. And get it nice and crispy. As you can see, once it's gone golden brown and crispy, then you can flip it over. Whilst that's cooking, the cauliflower will have steamed nicely. You don't want to turn it into mush, it just wants to be nice and soft. So drain that and then add it to the pan. Drop in a couple of knobs of butter and a spoonful of cream cheese. As you can see, I'm not really measuring, I'm just dropping it in, so don't be scared. Grate in a bit of cheddar cheese. And again, let's season it with some salt and pepper. And then mash it up. Perfect, looks like mashed potato, but better. Okay, so let's crack on with the duck. We need to get a teaspoon of the orange extract, pour that over the duck breast. You can always add some sweetener now if you want to have a bit of a sweet taste to the orange glaze. I haven't bothered. After that, add in some double cream, just pour that on top of the duck. It'll start bubbling up. And then what you want to do is add your spinach and just lay it all on top of the duck, and it should wilt away on its own, so just leave that alone. If you are counting your macros, etc., then weigh out the cream cheese and add it all in. I use MyFitnessPal and just put everything that I eat onto that. Makes it very easy. Anyway, duck is now done, so we're going to put it onto the plate. Add the spinach to the plate as a bed. The duck goes on top, and then your cauliflower rice next to it. And there you go, a perfect meal. So nice and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the videos, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at Chuck's Keto Kitchen. Thank you for watching.